Whee. Hi everyone. Okay, so what I'm doing here today is getting this thing all nice and cleaned up, ready for the mirror polish plate that I polished yesterday. So I have to be careful with it because it's very delicate, as you can see. So here is the point in which the hold on, to take this hood down. So here is the point where the light was mounted inside the resin model. So this is a resin model that I created about 3 years ago. The light itself, the LED light, failed. So I had to strip the whole thing again, and the whole thing's glued together. So there's a stainless base, mirror polish base that goes underneath it here. When the light's turned on, it reflects up through the models on the model. So what I need to do now is I don't need to polish anywhere here because I polished that 3 years ago to this nice see-through, this red, so see you can see my hand underneath it here. So there's a lot of work involved in this. That's all hand painted. All the white that you see in the red is hand painted, and all the red you see in the white is hand painted. So obviously this is printed using the 3D resin printer, but it's not just one resin. So what I've done is I've combined the resins to give us this white colour here at the end of it. And the reason I have the white colour at the end of it is to hide the LED light so that you don't see it when you're looking down through the model on the mirror polish plate. I'm going to get the plate here, it's sitting in the garage, 2 seconds. Okay, so here's the mirror polish plate, right? Yesterday I demonstrated polishing this. It's about 95% of the way there. It's just got marked by the model being lifted or placed in different positions of the house. Not my house, of course. This was a gift to my girlfriend. So underneath the model we have this mirror plate, which you can see the hearts in the mirror finish there. But when the model's dried off, it'll look much better than it does now, obviously. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to prepare this surface underneath here, the white, where the epoxy glue was. So hold on a minute here. I'm going to put this in the garage again. So this is only one model. The other one, this one obviously looks very pretty, but the other one also looks very pretty. So this is what I call the love heart theme. There's love hearts everywhere in it. So these resin models here, these bits that I've printed, I have filled them with glitter also. And inside, if I was to get a light there now, or when I put the light underneath it, you can see the glitter inside the hearts there. So I'm going to flip this over the body. So there's a lot of hours went into this. We've got a wee dog on it here too also. Daughter, mother, a whale. So it's all stainless steel TIG welding rods holding the hearts. So what I plan to do here now after I just removed the dust off it there. So I need to repair the LED light and I need to mount it back in here. But do you see this white bit? There was glue on it, epoxy, and it was it's gone now because I removed it in the first part video here. So what I'm going to do is I've already hit it with 600 grit here gently over the top of it. You're obviously not going to see it, but I just wanted to remove any wee fine marks on it. So my hands are froze. This is just as cold as it was yesterday. So what I'm going to do now, right, is I'm going to polish the inside of it here. But I just want to point out a couple of things first. So here we have on the inside of the well, we have this little coupler, this little stainless steel tube that holds all the wire rods into the center of the well. Then these protrude up through the roof of the well, seen here, all nice and even. So I've got all the holes drilled in it. They were printed. Obviously the well was printed, but this was an idea that I came up with at the end. So also we have this little stainless steel tube here, pipe. So it's 5mm by 3mm. So this is designed so that I can get the little Larry torch, and I can modify the little Larry torch to have a little stainless switch, seen at this point, that operates the switch on the board. So I'm going to start polishing here now in a moment. I'm going to heat my hands up first. So the umbrella too took 24 hours to print. So it was covered in supports right from the edge to the center. And also the umbrella is also reinforced here. So I just thought I would give a wee discussion here because there's no point me just starting a live stream and not discussing what it is I'm doing. Okay. So I'm gonna heat the hands here 2 seconds. It is freezing. So I'm going to spend about 10 minutes at this, maybe or 15. I'll see how it goes. So I need the Dremel, so I'm just going to dry some of my legs here and all. So I've got to sand it now, right? I've got the Dremel ready here. It was lashing a moment ago, so hopefully it doesn't rain again. So I've got a G3, right? The bench is clean. I'll bring this down nice and close. Because I have to be careful here because I don't want to break the bottle. This is a rotary tool at the end of the day, right? So, careful now. So, the woman's only held on at the high heels. So, at the top of the high heel here and here. But she's held on with an epoxy glue. So, it's quite strong. The dog's held on in 4 places with the paws. And the little girl, the child, is held on with full span area of her foot, so she's not going to break off. The mother, on the other hand, is delicate. I just need to be careful of her. When I flip this over the body, I'm going to be holding her foot tight to the resin base like so. Okay? She's not going to fall off, hopefully not. But anyway, so I just need to be careful now. So here we have the daughter, the mother, whale, and the dog. So we're going to start polishing here. So the Dremel's running at about 15,000 RPM. And I'm going to put a bit of water in here too, because we don't want to burn it. So I'm just going to hit this white area. I'm going to go for the red too, give it a wee blast. But obviously I can't do this side, so that's why I'm being careful with the wee fine soft paintbrush there, making sure that I don't mark it when I was cleaning it. Okay, so here we go. G3 here. Try not to get too much water in this Dremel. So gently now, oh, there's water going down my leg off the table. Oh dear. Right, so just giving this white bit, this white surface, a wee polish before we attach the light again. I won't be attaching the light today. I will be attaching the light maybe on Saturday, the 2 models. So this is the red Love Tart themed model. So as I say, when these are turned on, they light up the room. The colours, the red, the green, goes up, sort of reflects off the ceiling. So we're going to focus on the white here now. Just polishing where the glue was. As I say, the glue that I used for this previously was an iodide glue, 2-pack epoxy. But what I'm going to be using this time is the hot glue gun, just to save any handles in the future, like this. Alright, I'm going to just move this table back, this white bit, because the water's running under my leg and my boots. So I'll keep her up here. So gently working around this surface, this area. So you can see there how the red resin has blended into the white. So basically I emptied the vat out in the printer and I put the red on at the end. The white was done first. Yeah, I think. So the video of this is uploaded on the channel, the making of this model. So I also sanded this surface here where it attaches directly to the mirror polish plate. This time I used epoxy glue last time, just I dabbed it on gently. This time I'm going to be using the strong 3M double-sided adhesive tape. So basically having a wee bit here, a wee bit here, a wee bit here. And then in the future, I don't need to go through all this again if the LED torch burns out or whatever. So my hand froze. Wee bit of G3 again off the table here. And I'm going to focus on this edge now. But the sponge doesn't like it now. The sponge might fall off the Dremel here or not. So to see how it goes. Just gently run it around here. You have to keep the pressure on it or otherwise the mop head will fling off the pull there. The Velcro. So I've sanded this previously about half an hour ago. Inside, not outside, because it's freezing out here. So you can see there now that the white has come up a wee bit better there. So that's all it's getting because my hands are numb. Okay. I could do it more, but to be honest, my hands are frozen. Look at me with the mains and everything beside the water. So give it a wee blast here now. What I'm going to do now with this is take it into the hot shower with a paintbrush and fairy liquid. I'm actually going to give it another wee polish here when I end the live stream, but I'm first going to go and get boiling water to heat my hands up. Or I might just keep it running. See how it goes here. The water in this bucket's actually to heat my hands, but it's cold now. Anyway, it's looking really nice there now. So there is another model, and I'm going to be starting another live stream in maybe half an hour's time. So thank you for watching, everyone. So again, I'll take it around and get it washed now. Take it in. So there we have it. It's very dark. You'd think it was, I don't know, 8 o'clock at night in the summertime. Or 12 o'clock at night in the summertime. I'm trying to get somewhere bright here. So there we have it. So that now is ready for the LED light again. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'm going to go and heat the hands up. Bye. Alright, happy New Year to us all.